And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. But it's not bright and it's not sunny. It's raining. What's going on? Is this the end of the short stay? Oh dear, makes me feel very, very sad. The thoughts of having to layer up for winter. Oh dear, never mind. Anyway, we've not done a live for a few days. Back in the workshop, busy as ever. Loads of work coming in now. Now we've opened back up to the public appointments. So we've got a few bits and pieces getting dropped off every day. Getting the content going again. So yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been here an hour. What's going on? But hey ho, that's the way it goes. Morning, Stephen. How are you, mate? Yeah, so yeah, I just had a little break from doing the lives and that last week. Morning, Jonathan. But all's good in the world, and yeah. So you'll be seeing a few more regular lives from me. It's Tuesday, so the live Zoom will be going on for SimplyDiag.net members today.
Hello.
And yeah, it's going to be, well, business as usual, but busy. We had a couple of great ride-alongs last week. We've had some really interesting faults. You've seen on me business page. I've put a couple of posts up what we're doing, and today we're tackling this McGann Scenic. Typical thing. Fuel filler flap stops working, handbrake stops working, and all that. And yeah, got our favourite colour. Look at this. All them green crusties there. Let me get a triangle, let me get a torch so we can see it properly. Where's my torch living? There's one while I find one. Yeah, look at that. All them lovely green crusties. Very common fault on these. Diagnosed it literally over the phone. Yeah, so the only problem is the wire colours going into the connector are different than the wire colours coming out of it. So you've got to be very careful and doing one at a time. And you can see the wires that have already broken. We've no idea where they come from. So we've just got to work at it very slowly, very methodically. Make sure that we don't break anything. Morning, Simon. How are you, mate? So yeah, I wish I had £1 for every one of these I've done over the years. But that's what we're doing this morning. We've got another couple of vehicles getting dropped off as well. So yeah, busy days, busy days. And yeah, so I'll go and be tackling the green crusties while the world is waking up. So listen, birthdays. I missed a load of birthdays last week. So if it was your birthday last week and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday today on Tuesday, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow on Hump Day Wednesday, happy birthday. Hey, have an awesome day. Morning, Keith. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.